I absolutely 100% believe it's worth every penny. My name is Martha Baur. My business is Bloom Kitchen Garden Company, and I'm in St. Louis, Missouri. I graduated from NC State with a degree in landscape architecture, a master's, and so I came to St. Louis and was a residential gardener for 20 years and found the Garden Consultant program actually on the internet, and I said, this looks really cool and would be a great side business as a landscape designer. My biggest win since becoming a garden consultant is having this add-on to my business. So when I do the landscape design project, I can say, wow, this is a great area for you to have a vegetable garden. The best part about Gardenary is it gives you the confidence to go out in the community, and I absolutely 100% believe it's worth every penny because you're gonna get it back because you just learned so much. It's invaluable. I think someone should hire me as a garden consultant because of my design background. So being a landscape designer first and foremost, I bring a lot to the table. People can find me online at bloomkgco.com. And you can also find me on Instagram at Bloom Kitchen Garden Co.